Hi there, I'm Rosalie and I'm a client support manager at 99designs by Vista. Today I'm going to walk you through how to launch what we call a guaranteed contest. So let's get started. A guaranteed contest is a contest that promises the winning prize to the designer community. It shows designers that you're serious and committed to the contest process. Guaranteed contests tend to see higher increased design submissions and a higher designer engagement from the designer community. Just remember that you can only guarantee your contest during the qualifying round. Once you select finalists, the contest automatically becomes guaranteed. Let's go over where to find setting your contest to guaranteed. Now, there are a few different ways that you can set your contest to guaranteed during your design journey. The first one is as you launch your contest. During the launch process, you'll see the guaranteed option found under the contest options section. Simply click the guaranteed option box, and when you launch your contest, it'll be set as guaranteed. Not sure if you're ready to go all in before you launch? Not to worry. You can set your contest to guaranteed as the contest is running during the qualifying round. To do so, on your contest page, just click the three-dot menu found on the top right-hand corner, select Guaranteed Prize, and click the Guaranteed Prize button. Once you set your contest to guaranteed, you'll be able to see the guaranteed box show up on the top right-hand corner, and it'll also show up as guaranteed on our contest listing page, so our designers can see that you're all in. Just remember, guaranteeing your contest prize means that you won't be eligible for a refund. So just guarantee your contest once you're happy and confident with where the design submissions are headed. There you go. You're now an expert on how guaranteed contests work. Let's recap. The guaranteed feature promises to pay a prize to the winning designer. Guaranteeing your contest can help increase the volume of design submissions that you receive. You can guarantee your contest both before and after you launch your contest. Just remember, once you guarantee your winning prize, you'll be unable to request a refund. That's it. See you next time from the team at 99designs.